Hello everyone, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can convert any type of text into a full-blown video using Powtoon AI. So to do this, what I've done is that I've actually asked Claude to generate a text about the benefits of motorcycling, and I'm going to use that text and turn it into a video. So all you have to do is just find your document, import it into the platform, and then move forward to the next steps. So here you can actually provide instructions to the AI, for example, to say that this video is for new hires, it's for managers, it's a communications video, or it's a training video. That way the platform will actually write a script that is going to be targeted for your specific audience. You can also choose to use your document as a script. You can choose a brand kit. So that way, like for example, you're going to be able to make sure that the video uses your fonts, your colors, and your logo so that it actually adheres to your visual identity. You're going to be able to actually pick the type of video you want to create, whether you want a short summary or a full recap of the document. And you're going to be able to actually pick the type of video you want to generate. I'm going to click on generate script, and what the platform is going to do is that it's going to understand the document that you've provided, both from your point of view as a company, what is important to you and what kind of information do you want to convey to your audience so that they can understand and remember it. And from your audience's point of view, what kind of information is within that document that they need to understand and remember over the long run. Now, obviously, that script is going to be fully customizable. You can change it to your will, and you're going to be able to actually pick different voices for the narrating of the video. So there's going to be a voiceover in the back, and you can just pick a voiceover right here. So I'm not going to change anything. I'm just going to click on generate video, and this video is not going to be sped up. Like I'm not going to speed up anything. I'm not going to modify anything. I'm just going to talk so that you can see how quickly you can actually do that. So technically what the platform is going to do is that it's going to take the script and it's going to generate a full-blown video with voiceover, text, keywords, music, and so on and so forth. But you will be able to customize 100% to make sure that it adheres to what you have in mind. And once that video is created, you're going to be able to actually translate it directly within the platform in just a few clicks into any language that you want, enabling you to not only convert any text into a video, but to also communicate with your audience wherever they are and directly into their, into their native tongue. So it actually makes the communication a lot easier. That video, you can customize, as I mentioned, anything. You can change the text, you can change the voiceover, you can pretty much just do anything you want. You can blur the background, change the pictures, everything that you want to do, you can do with it. And you also have access to Google's Powtoon AI, which gives you access to VO2 and Nano Banana Pro to generate content, images and videos directly from a prompt. And you're going to be able to also have access to the AI avatars so that you can have an avatar talk to your audience directly without having to face the camera like I'm doing right now. And lastly, I'm going to talk to you a little bit after about all the different things that you're going to be able to do. So now the video is being created. It takes about 1 minute, 2 minutes at the max, and we're going to be able to actually explore it down the road. And again, I'm not speeding up anything. I'm going to use that time to actually talk to you also about the live avatar feature that we just brought up, which allows you to generate an AI avatar and provide this AI avatar with a full knowledge of your company or your processes. That way, what you can do is that you can actually provide that avatar to your audience, and your audience can directly interact with the avatar, meaning they can ask them questions about the company, about processes, and so on and so forth. And you don't have to generate video for every single subject.
Dive into the surprising mental health benefits of motorcycle riding as we explore how two-wheeled freedom elevates your mental well-being. To start, we will explore how motorcycling reduces stress. In 2021, UCLA found that riding for just 20 minutes drops cortisol levels by 28%. It enhances alertness and mental clarity, similar to meditation. How cool is that? Mindful riding provides serenity. Motorcycling induces a meditative state through motion, offering single-pointed attention. Riders achieve unity with their motorcycle, concentrating on the road rather than everyday distractions. Building on this idea, develop confidence skills through riding. Riding enhances self-reliance and decision-making for everyday life. The discipline of riding boosts focus and resilience. Rider mistakes aren't rare. Many motorcycle accidents are due to rider error, not merely chance. The Hurt Report reveals that about 2/3 of single-vehicle motorcycle accidents result from rider errors. Ride wisely for mental health. Safety-focused riding lowers stress while boosting mental skills. Wear comprehensive protective gear to cut risks. Skills training improves mental agility, making riding safer and more rewarding. As we wrap up, remember the mental health benefits of motorcycle riding. Stay safe, mitigate risks, and thank you for watching.
So there you go. So this is the video. Technically, as you can see, the result is pretty great. You have everything, but as I mentioned, everything is customizable here. So you can just pretty much just go into the Powtoon and just change different things. So for example, I noticed here on this scene that it's the accident, it's a car accident. So instead, what I can actually do is just change this and go into motorcycle accident. And then I'll be able to actually go into the library of content, and then I'm going to be able to actually just pick something different that will actually just change everything. You can also go into those different elements, and here it's a pretty simple thing. So as I mentioned, as you know, one of the things that you can do is you can customize your fonts and colors directly within Powtoon. So let's just say that this is your company's font. You can click on apply to matching font, and the font will automatically be changed everywhere. And you can also just change colors, whether it's for the font or for different elements. So if I click here, I just go on apply to matching colors, and every single element that had the original color here will be able to change, and you can just change any of these elements directly within Powtoon. So now that you've done everything that you wanted to do, you can now just save this video. So I'm going to call it motorcycling English, and I'm going to show you how you can actually use that video and translate it into multiple languages at once. So I'm going here, and then I'm going to do translation, translate Powtoon, and you're going to be able to actually say, for example, Spanish and French. And the advantage right now is that the platform is actually going to listen to the text, is going to look at every single element of text. Like it's going to listen to the voiceover and check every single element of text on the video, and it's going to translate everything for you. So the advantage of doing this now, not only can you translate articles that you find online or articles that you have on your website, but you can also translate, convert any kind of document to a video. You can translate that document. So imagine all the possibilities of being able to create content that quickly for your audience. So here, right now, I didn't change anything. I haven't sped up anything. And here I have the two videos that we can actually just modify. So let's just kind of take a look at them. We're not going to watch them all, but I think it's worth taking a look at it. So this is the Spanish version.
Adéntrate en los sorprendentes beneficios para la salud mental de montar en moto, mientras exploramos cómo la libertad sobre dos ruedas mejora tu bienestar mental.
So there you go. So this is for Spanish, and we can actually listen to French.
Plongez dans les bienfaits surprenants de la moto sur la santé mentale et découvrez comment la liberté à deux roues améliore votre bien-être mental.
So there you go. So this is all the things that you can actually do with Powtoon AI. I'm more than happy to actually show you how it works, explain to you the different credits and the different things that you're going to be able to do. So if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message at fabian.berda@powtoon.com, and I'll be more than happy to help you with it. And if you have any questions, whether it's for the AI features, live avatars, or anything like this, just feel free to send me a message. Thank you very much for your attention and have a great day.